Hello, welcome to KOA CCTV. In this video, I will show you how to create a new project on our website. Add, edit, move, change, and print the project. To get started, let's search a SKU number. Click to open the product page. Then click on Add to Project List. On this pop-up, you can add a new project or can use the existing one. Enter the project name. Then click on View Project button. On this page you can set up your custom price, set the quantity, write a comment for each product. When you've finished, click on Update Project to save all data. From the drop-down above, you can change between price options. For example, show MSRP only, show price only, your price. To add product to the shopping cart, check product and click on Add Selected to Cart. To move product from project list to another, click on Move Project. From the pop-up menu choose the project list and click on Move to. If you don't have second project, create a new one. Then navigate to Project List. Choose Project. If you need more adjustment, do so. Don't forget to update project. To print the project, click on Print Project. Thanks for watching.